Hey friend, I've been so excited to make this video, like through the roof excited. The most excited I ever get about making videos about this video. And the reason for that is twofold. First, I'm on a camping trip with my daughter in the van, and it's just father-daughter. I should move away from the van actually because she's napping right now and I don't want to wake her up. And I'll tell you about why we're camping right now. So coming over here to this campsite, you may just recognize my father's Westphalia, but this is the classic Cultus Lake camping trip that our family and some friends do every summer. I look forward to it every year. Now this year, things are a little bit different because Janelle was pregnant again, as you know, and my son was born. And you know that I'm pretty protective over my family on this channel. I don't want to exploit it for YouTube. I like doing it our own way. You're gonna get to meet my son later, and I'm very excited about that. But the campsites have kind of cleared out right now. Everyone's down at the water. Ember's just finishing up her nap right here. We're gonna go down and join them. And I enjoy doing update vlogs like this and just chatty stuff, and that's kind of what this video is mainly gonna be. How you doing, sweetheart? Did you have a good nap? It wasn't that long ago we did a camping vlog with Ember, and she was just learning how to walk. And that was so fun watching her learn how to explore. And it didn't take very long for that learning how to walk to turn into her going everywhere very fast. And a lot of you called it when we were doing some of the modifications to our van last year, getting ready for more people, that the wires and things like that were going to be pretty hectic, and just we were going to see the van through a different lens with children. And boy, were you right. There's so many areas of the van that it's like a full-time job making sure that Ember doesn't get into an area she's not supposed to get into. I'm definitely thinking of some little small changes we can make now that Ember's a lot more mobile. Ready to go down to the beach? Can I have a cracker? Thanks for sharing.
The sun rises behind her eyes, but she still can't see it. When she's beside me, I walk slowly. She feeds my soul all the gold I could need. This whole time I've been searching for the wrong thing. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. She found my heart in my
We've been having some fun out here on the water, exploring around, different inlets and coastlines and stuff, but I think it's I think it's time to go meet up with some friends.
She's the kind you only find in a story.
We found the beach with friends. Time to hang out for a bit.
She's my captain.
I've had a lot of fun today, and honestly didn't really care to pick up the camera much. Thankfully, Oma and Opa took little Ember up back to the campsite, so I'm Ember free for now, just as I get ready to clean the boat up. But someone else came today with a extra special someone I'd like you to meet, and that is my son and my wife.
This is little Jasper.
This is Jasper. He's a month old today, and isn't he just the most beautiful thing? I think we make pretty cute babies, Janelle. We now have evidence across 2 babies, and this little guy is just something else.
Hey, are you a cutie?
It's been fun telling friends and family all the birth story, and just, yeah, it's been a good month, but full.
Full, for sure.
Family came out to visit.
Trying to chase Ember and keep care of a newborn. It's pretty full, but we love it. Ember's a great big sister.
She's a really good big sister.
She loves giving him kisses and little hugs. We have to watch her very close because sometimes hugs turn into other things.
She gets very excited, as you can expect. She's a little confused why suddenly she has to share mom with this extra dude. But she's been a good sport about it.
Yeah.
It felt a little fast to all of us do a van life camping trip a month after he was born. That did not sound enjoyable.
We did entertain the idea and thought it through, and I said, I think I'll just go home, spend the night, have a quiet morning. Just me and Jasper is actually wonderful.
Well, we are going to get back to just enjoying camp life. We're doing this hybrid van thing where it's nice having the home, I said the home base, but we actually have an actual home base now. It's nice having the van station when camping, especially with kids, because it's like nap station, change station. Ember and I can spend the nights there. So it is making camp. It's not like we're staying in a tent or anything like that, but it's just so much easier for Janelle to drive home in the evenings and be able to actually have a decent sleep. But what a gift it is, and the heart just keeps expanding and growing. And I think I was reflecting the other day, like people that we were friends with and hung out with quite a bit pre-COVID, they knew us as just Janelle and Levi, and we did some gallivanting. So they kind of just, some of the people that are from this area that know us, they just see us as this like young couple that does the van thing occasionally and takes off. And then now that we're starting to see people a lot more again, suddenly we've got 2 kids.
Yeah, it's very different.
A lot of life change has happened across the last 14 months.
Oh yeah.
And I'm here for it. I'm quite excited about it. Well, it is a bit like a bomb went off in here. It's pretty messy. There's things everywhere, but that's also evidence of some good fun that's been had. Our time is wrapping up, which always feels like it comes too fast. And it should go without saying that some of my favorite moments while camping like this are happening when the cameras aren't on, like playing games with Ember and like picking up sticks with her. Like, it's just impossible for me to keep picking up the camera and capturing these moments, but it's been pretty cool to just, her curiosity is like continuing to grow, and it's just so fun seeing that develop, and as she learns what things are, and like the cause and effect of different, like if I do this, this happens. And what's special this year is that my sister is also here with her kids, and also my brother and his wife are around. They don't live around here, so it's kind of cool that we've been able to have all this stuff coincide. And I haven't really tried to get that all on camera, and that's fine. But it's been really enjoyable to have. It just feels kind of like, it feels like it's cool. It's refreshing to be able to have family moments like that again, especially after going so long without them. over this past year. So that's been pretty cool to have everyone around and just enjoying evenings with the propane campfire because the fire ban's on and you know, I've got a couple more things I want to tell you about in this video. And one of them is Life's Better When You Make Stuff shirts. I realize I don't let you know about the merch that I have enough, the clothing over on the store. And some of you are still finding the website links and getting it, and that's I always enjoy seeing those orders come through. But if you want a Life's Better When You Make Stuff shirt, you can head over and do that. And the website that I actually sell all that stuff on was built with the sponsor of this video, that's Squarespace. And Squarespace is really helpful for me because I'm not a web designer. I don't have any experience with that, but I've been able to build and run my own website for years now with their service. And they've just got this really great to use all-in-one platform. It's like a drag and drop website building tool, and you can get your domain through them and then use one of their gorgeous designer templates to start building out what your website's going to be. So I recommend if you have like a business idea, or you want to get into freelancing, or if you want to share a project that you're working on with the world, building your own home base for it is really helpful. And the cool part about Squarespace is that they've just got a lot of tools all there and they just work. So they've got great analytics, they've got great e-commerce functionality, they've got great ability to embed different media with galleries and videos. And what's awesome is that it looks great across all devices, from iPhones, iPads to computers. It just works. And I really appreciate that about Squarespace. One of the things I'd recommend is just starting a trial and putting your own images in and see what your website could look like. And then when you're ready to commit, make sure that you use my code for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So we're about to wrap things up at the campsite here, pack things up, which makes me a little bit sad. But there's some important things I wanted to make sure I still got into this video. And even though the chaos that is welcoming a new child into the world, there's still some projects going on in my work life, and that's kind of fun, just having all of this going on at once. It's exciting. I just love having projects to work on. And one of those big ones is that we're doing our Adventure Film Academy workshops again. They're happening. They're back on the calendar. That just warms my heart, the fact that we're able to make them happen again this year. We're doing the sailing edition, and we've got spots that are open. Applications are open. So if you're interested, make sure that you go check that out. But one of the things that's also we've just got a few client projects that are also happening right now. So I feel like it's this interesting mixture of trying to carve out little 1 or 2 hour windows during my day to get out and find some calm so I can focus. If you're new to the channel, welcome. It's great to have you. I strongly recommend you check out our van build series. We've got a whole playlist of like 30 plus videos of building this van. And then we've got another playlist of videos of driving the thing to Alaska. And then we've got another playlist of videos of just like adventures that I liked and some of my films. And just, if you're looking for places to start, I recommend those. You can follow our container outfitting series as I set it up as an off-grid shop. We've got some fun things going on. So that's other videos of mine that you can watch if you're enjoying this one. And before Amber tips this tripod over, I think we should say that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, life's better when you make stuff. Peace.